Now we'll continue fifth sum. If x inversely proportional to 1 upon root y, and when x is equal to 40, y is equal to 16. First we'll find out using this value, find the value of k. After that, if x is equal to 10, and find y. Okay. First we'll solve this part. X is equal to 40 and y is equal to 16. Write down solution. X inversely proportional to 1 upon root y. Therefore, x is equal to k upon root y. Here k is a constant. Therefore, x root y is equal to k is the equation of variation. Now, what is given here? X is equal to 40, y is equal to 16. Then write down, when x is equal to 40 and y is equal to 16, substitute this value in this. X root y is equal to k. X का वैल्यू 40 है, रूट y बोला तो 16 इज इक्वल टू k. 16 रूट 16 बोला तो कौन सा नंबर का स्क्वायर? 4 का. ठीक है. Therefore 40 into 4 is equal to k. That is k का वैल्यू कितना है? 4 for the 16, 160 is the constant of variation. Next we'll find out equation of variation. Therefore, x root y is equal to 160 is the equation of variation. Now second part, x is equal to 10, find y. Now substitute x is equal to 10. Okay, same formula write down. X root y is equal to 160, x is equal to 10, root y is equal to 160. Therefore, root y is equal to 160 upon 10. Therefore, root y is equal to कितना आया? 16 आया. Okay. Listen here. Now, root y is equal to 16. So, ये कौन सा नंबर का 16 रूट y का वैल्यू 16 आया, तो 16 कौन सा नंबर का स्क्वायर है? तो 256 का 16 into 16 बोला तो 256 आता है. ओके. देयरफॉर y is equal to 256. Therefore the value of y is equal to 2. इसका 256 का रूट निकालोगे तो तुम लोगों को मिलेगा 16. मीन्स 256 का स्क्वायर रूट निकालो 16 16 बिकॉज 256 इज ए स्क्वायर नंबर. तो 16 16 आर 256. देयरफॉर रूट y इज इक्वल टू 16. देयरफॉर द वैल्यू ऑफ y, हम लोगों को y का वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करने को बोला. देयरफॉर y का वैल्यू 256. Then we'll go to last sum, that is here x varies inversely as y when x is equal to 15, y is equal to 10. That is first part. Second one, if x is 20, then y is equal to how much? First one is when x is equal to 15 दिया, y is equal to 10. Write down solution. X inversely proportional to 1 upon y. Therefore, x is equal to ky. Here k is a constant. Now, x is equal to or k is equal to xy. This is the equation of variation. Now first part में क्या दिया? x is 15, y is equal to 10. Now put this value, substitute in this. X is 15, y is equal to 10. Then you will get the value of k. Therefore 15 into 10 is equal to k. Therefore k is equal to 150. That is the constant of variation. Is the constant of variation. Now I want the equation of variation. इसका मतलब xy is equal to k का वैल्यू कितना आया 150 आया. Therefore xy is equal to 150 is the equation of variation. Now next part is given substituting x is equal to 20. अभी हम लोगों को क्या फाइंड आउट करने को बोला, x is 20 दिया, y का वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करने को बोला. ओके, देन सेकेंड पार्ट में राइट डाउन हियर substitute x is equal to 20. Then what is the value of y? xy is equal to k. X is 20 into y is equal to k. Therefore y is equal to k का वैल्यू कितना आया 150 आया. सब्स्टिट्यूट करो. Therefore y is equal to 150 upon 20. ये 0 कट 15 upon 2 बोला तो 7.5. Therefore the value of y is equal to 7.5.